Did you know a lot of bread makers sold online never deliver a properly risen, evenly baked loaf, even though they look great on paper? In US kitchens, where family-sized loaves and real crust texture matter, a bad machine can leave you with dense, undercooked bread or burned edges. In this video, we're revealing the best bread makers for US homes models that consistently bake fluffy, delicious loaves, handle big batches, and make cleanup easy. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share the #1 mistake almost everyone makes when choosing a bread maker, and avoiding it could save you money and a lot of disappointment. Before you hit buy, here are the 7 to 8 must-know details that'll help you choose smartly without falling for gimmicks. First up, loaf size and capacity. Make sure the machine makes enough bread for your household. Common sizes are 1-, 1.5-, and 2 pounds loaves. If you've got a big family, go for 1.5 to 2 pounds so you're not baking every day. Next, wattage and power. Higher wattage, around 600 to 800 watts, means more consistent kneading and baking, so you don't get half-baked centers. Then, check out the bread programs. You want a variety: basic, whole wheat, gluten-free, dough, rapid, etc., so you can experiment beyond plain white. A big deal: pan and paddle quality. Non-stick pans with sturdy paddles make the whole thing easier and less sticky, so cleanup's not a pain, which leads to ease of cleaning. Removable, dishwasher-safe parts are a small detail that makes daily use way more likely. Controls and display should be easy to read and intuitive. A clear LCD with simple buttons beats cryptic menus every time. Don't forget safety features like cool touch housing and overheat protection, especially in busy US kitchens with kids or pets running around. Also check warranty and support. A solid 1 to 2 year warranty with good customer service will save you headaches if something goes wrong. Pro tip: measure your counter space before buying so it fits under cabinets and near your power outlet. Mistake to avoid: buying the cheapest model thinking all bread makers are the same. Cheap units often underperform and bake unevenly. Follow these tips and you'll get a bread maker that's reliable, easy to use, and actually makes bread you're proud to slice. For you, we have selected 4 best products based on different parameters, and you can buy them from Amazon with links in the description. At number 4, we have the Elite Gourmet Programmable Bread Maker Machine, a stainless steel countertop appliance designed to make fresh homemade bread simple and fully automatic. Built with a stainless steel exterior, this bread maker handles the entire process: kneading, rising, and baking, so you can enjoy artisan-style bread without manual effort. It supports 3 loaf sizes: 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds, making it suitable for individuals, couples, or families. With 19 pre-programmed menu functions, it accommodates a wide variety of recipes, including gluten-free, white, wheat, rye, French bread, and even pizza dough, offering excellent versatility. The 15-hour delay timer lets you schedule baking in advance, while the 60-minute keep warm function ensures bread stays fresh after baking. Weighing 10.98 pounds, the unit is compact enough for most kitchen counters and helps free up oven space, reduce kitchen heat, and minimize cleanup by preparing and baking in one machine. In terms of safety and convenience, the all-in-one enclosed baking process reduces handling and mess. Customer feedback is largely positive. Users praise its ease of use, consistent baking results, and value for money, especially for frequent bread making. While most find the instructions clear, some customers report dissatisfaction with the recipe booklet. Who should consider this? It's ideal for home bakers who want fresh bread regularly without complexity. For current deals and availability, check the links in the description. At number 3, we have the KitchenArm 29-in-1 Smart Bread Machine, a stainless steel bread maker designed for both beginners and experienced home bakers who want maximum control and flexibility. Weighing 9.6 pounds, this machine supports 3 loaf sizes: 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and 2 pounds, and runs on 550 watts, making it energy efficient while still powerful enough for consistent results. It features an impressive 29 automatic menus, including 21 bread programs such as basic, whole wheat, dark rye, multigrain, gluten-free, brioche, ciabatta, sourdough, keto, salt-free, and sugar-free, along with 7 non-bread menus like cake, jam, and yogurt, plus a fully customizable homemade cycle. The unique one-press bread making feature remembers your last settings, allowing you to simply add ingredients and press start next time. You also get 3 crust color options, a 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm, 15-minute power interruption recovery, and AddNuts/remove paddle alerts. Built for safety and durability, it is ETL certified, uses a 3-prong grounding plug, operates on 120 volt, and includes a food-grade Teflon-coated non-stick bread pan. The large 2.5-inch LCD display improves ease of use. Warranty coverage includes a 2-year product warranty, plus lifetime customer service. Customer feedback is highly positive. Users praise the reliable performance, excellent recipe book, cloud-based recipes, and high-quality bread, especially especially for doughs like cinnamon rolls and donuts. Who should buy this? Ideal for frequent bread eaters who want healthier, customizable homemade bread with minimal effort. To see current prices and deals, check the links in the description. At number 2, we have the Asapoto 2LB Bread Maker Machine, a beginner-friendly automatic bread machine designed to deliver consistent homemade results with minimal effort. Built with a stainless steel body, this unit weighs 11.68 pounds and runs on a powerful 600-watt motor, providing 360 degrees even heat distribution for a golden crust and soft interior. It features 17 automatic programs covering basic bread, whole wheat, cake, jam, yogurt, and gluten-free options, making it versatile for everyday baking needs. The large 2-pound capacity is ideal for families, while 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, and 3 crust settings, light, medium, dark, allow full customization. For convenience, it includes a 15-hour delay timer and a 1-hour keep warm function, so bread is ready exactly when you want it. Cleanup is simple thanks to the high-quality non-stick pan, which allows easy bread release and quick wiping. Noise is kept low at around 50 decibels, making it suitable for apartments and overnight use. On the safety side, the machine includes overheat protection, automatically pausing operation if internal temperatures rise too high to protect the motor. Customer feedback is very positive, with users highlighting perfect loaves, quiet operation, easy controls, and excellent value for money. Who should check this? It's a great choice for beginners, families, and anyone who wants reliable, low-noise bread baking at home without complications. To check current deals and availability, refer to the links in the description. At number 1, we have the Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine, a compact and reliable automatic bread maker designed for effortless homemade baking. Built with plastic and stainless steel, this unit runs on 550 watts of power and weighs 10.8 pounds, making it easy to keep on your countertop without taking up too much space. It comes equipped with 12 menu options, giving you the flexibility to bake a variety of breads and other baked goods with minimal effort. You can choose from 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, and up to a full 2-pound loaf, along with 3 crust color settings, light, medium, and dark, so every loaf turns out exactly the way you like it. This machine mixes, kneads, and bakes automatically, letting you go beyond basic bread to make cakes, pizza dough, and other treats. It's designed to be easy to use, featuring an LCD display, audible beep reminders, clear cycle indicators, and a 60-minute keep warm function once baking is complete. The removable non-stick baking pan and kneading paddle make cleanup quick and simple, while the vertical baking cavity and compact footprint keep it counter-friendly. Customer feedback highlights its simple controls, excellent baking results, compact size, and easy cleaning, with many users calling it a great value compared to higher-priced models. Who should buy this? It's perfect for beginners, small families, or anyone who wants fresh bread at home without a bulky or complicated machine. To see current deals and availability, take a look at the links listed in the description. A bread maker takes care of fresh homemade bread, but planning complete meals can still feel limited. If you want to expand what you can cook indoors without firing up the stove, check this video on indoor grills. They make it easy to prepare quick, flavorful meals right at home. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.